Let's see how to manage model layers in CYPE-3D. To do this, we open the Tools menu at the top of the interface. Layer Management allows us to introduce new layers and edit any existing ones. A layer is a group of elements in the model with the same viewing properties. By default, the program adds a layer when creating the job. Using the buttons at the top of the window, we can add more layers, delete and reorder them in the table. We check the Active box to indicate the layer in which we are drawing. The elements of the model are automatically assigned to the layer we have active when they are introduced. We can edit the layer name at any time and determine whether or not it is visible by checking the corresponding checkbox. We can only interact with the elements of the layers that are visible. To modify the colour of each layer, we click on the coloured cell and carry out the colour selection from the available range. If we wish, we can click on More Colours to define custom colours. Returning to the previous window, we check the box at the bottom to represent the structure using layer colours. The following columns allow us to activate or deactivate the view of bars, ties, columns, beams, panels and shells assigned to each layer. Once we accept the window, the modifications we have made to the model are then carried out. Returning to the Tools menu, we find options that allow us to assign elements, panels and shells to layers. The procedure is identical in all three cases. After clicking on one of them, we select each element to be assigned one by one with the left mouse button, or we use the crossing method, confirming our selection with the right mouse button. In the pop-up window, we carry out our layer selection where we wish to assign these elements. Finally, after accepting, the program will assign the elements to the selected layer.